In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Lenovo laptop power on but no display. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So firstly, you want to check the screen brightness. Turn on the laptop, press the brightness up key several times, which is usually FN plus F6 or F7 depending on the model, and check if the display becomes visible. Next thing you can do is perform a power reset. So shut down the laptop completely, disconnect the charger, and if your battery is removable, remove it. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds, then reconnect the charger and turn the laptop back on. After that, you should be in a better state. What you can also do is use a Lenovo's emergency display reset. So turn the laptop on, then press Windows, Control, Shift, and B all together and listen for a beep or a screen flicker. Once you do this, this is going to restart your graphics driver. Also check for a backlight issue. So turn the laptop on, shine a flashlight directly at the screen and look closely for a faint image. If you can see a faint image, the LCD backlight may have failed, so you might need to get that repaired. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.